What if investing could be as simple as catching a train? Welcome aboard the Index Express, where simplicity meets potential. Hello, I'm your conductor on this investment journey. Like these trains that follow predetermined tracks, index funds track established market indices. See that? You can't push a train off its tracks. That's the beauty of index investing. No emotional decisions derailing your journey. Look around. Each compartment represents a company in the market. While active fund managers select specific compartments based on research, index fund trains simply carry India's top companies based on their market size. Notice your ticket price, mostly in the range of 0.1 to 0.5%. That is your expense ratio, the cost of your journey, compared to a range of 1 to 2.5% fare on other investment trains. As we travel, your investment has the potential to grow with the entire market. No need to stress about selecting individual compartments, just chug along. Which passenger will you be? The one stressing about every station or the one enjoying the journey? Ready to hop aboard? Remember our Index Express motto: stay on track, stay invested. Most investors abandon their financial vehicles before reaching their destination. Let me show you the index trains that could keep you on track through all market seasons. Welcome back to Index Express. Today, we are exploring the different index trains that you can aboard. The flagship train, the Nifty 50 Express. It carries India's 50 largest company compartments, representing about 50% of India's market size. The Sensex carries 30 major company compartments, slightly more concentrated but following a similar journey to financial growth. Prefer exploring beyond the established giants? The Nifty Next 50 Explorer takes you to up-and-coming businesses, companies that might become tomorrow's market leaders. Trying to time which compartment will perform the best? It's like jumping between different trains with no guarantee which train will reach first. For the complete tour, the Nifty Total Market Train carries 97% of India's listed company compartments. It's like having an all-in-one pass. These trains update their composition periodically. Company compartments that shrink might be downsized or disconnected completely. Meet Rahul and Priya. Rahul spent 10 years switching between different stocks, ending with 7% returns, while Priya simply rode the Nifty 50 Express, getting market return without the stress. Which journey would you prefer? The biggest investment mistake? Standing on the platform debating which perfect train to catch while all the trains leave without you. Let's solve this confusion today. Welcome back to the Index Express. Today, we are choosing our ticket class, ETF or Index Mutual Fund. Same destination, just different experience. ETF class allows travel all day long. Notice passengers getting on and off while the train is moving. That is intraday trading. You will need a demat account to book this class, but you can enter or exit anytime the market is open. Fascinating, right? Despite the freedom to exit anytime, most successful ETF travelers simply stay aboard for the entire journey. The expense ratio? Often very economical. Just be aware of the brokerage charge on each transaction. Index Mutual Fund class allows boarding at scheduled stops after market closes when daily NAV is calculated. Perfect for regular travelers via systematic investment plan. The secret weapon of index fund investors? The set it and forget it automatic investment plan. No emotional decisions, no timing, no stress. Slightly different expense ratio structure, but no extra charges when boarding or exiting. Both classes reach exactly the same destination. The real question isn't which class is better, it is which one will you actually board and stay on. A good portfolio is one you can stick with through all market weather. Till then, stay on track, stay invested. The real secret? It's not about one perfect train. It's about building a fleet that survives when single trains derail. Here's how the financially savvy design their wealth engines. Welcome to the model shop of the Index Express. Today we are building your investment fleet, combining different trains to reach your financial destination. Every investor benefits from a relatively balanced fleet. Let's start with your core train. Your core express, Nifty 50 or Sensex forms the foundation of your collection. For many investors, this represents 50 to 60% of their fleet. Oops! Don't put all your investment eggs in one train. That's why we are building a fleet. Looking for potential growth opportunities? Consider adding the growth accelerator, mid-cap and small-cap. These may experience more volatility but could offer different growth patterns over longer journeys. Consider international connections as well. Trains like S&P 500 or Nasdaq can add 10 to 20% global exposure, potentially adding diversification when Indian markets experience different cycles. The real purpose of your investment fleet is creating memories, security and freedom for you and your loved ones. Approaching your destination? Consider adding more stability engines. The debt index trains tracking government securities. They may offer different characteristics focused on relative stability. Remember the Index Express rule. Consistent investing beats perfect investing every single time. Specialized investment engines are like sports car, exciting but not always necessary. Let's explore when they actually make sense and when they are just expensive toys. Welcome to the engineer's workshop of the Index Express. Today, we are exploring specialized train engines for more sophisticated journeys, factor funds and smart beta trains. The value engine. It selects company compartments based on valuation metrics, potentially identifying undervalued opportunities. Nifty 500 Value 50 is one example. Wait, what? These nearly identical factor engines performed completely differently over different time periods? That's the challenge with specialized approaches. The momentum engine. It focuses on company compartments with recent positive performance, based on the observation that trends can sometimes continue. The quality engine. It selects financially stable company compartments with relatively consistent performance and lower debt levels. Interesting observation. Sometimes combining too many specialized features creates complexity that breaks down. Our low volatility engine seeks to provide a potentially smoother ride through market turbulence. It carries historically more stable company compartments. Here's the complexity tax. The more complicated your investment approach, the more ways it can go wrong. Most investors focus only on growth trains while ignoring the protector trains. Here's the portfolio section that saved investors during the biggest market crashes. Welcome to a new part of our investing railway. Today, we are exploring debt index trains, the potential wealth protectors. Our equity index journeys travel through mountain ranges, constantly changing elevation. Sometimes they are high above the ground. Those market peaks, sometimes underground, the market declines. The thrilling journey can sometimes test your comfort, but historically, the general direction over long periods has been upward. Wait, what? After major market declines, equity trains have sometimes taken years to return to previous heights. That's why timing matters. Debt index, on the other hand, journeys through gentle landscapes without the dramatic elevation changes. The journey is relatively smoother with fewer surprises. The GSEC train carries government securities in its compartments. These follow smoother tracks designed for stability with moderate returns. The target maturity train has a fixed arrival date, allowing for precise journey planning. It may be perfect for aligning with specific future needs. Meet two retirees during the 2008 crash. Vikram, with 100% equity, saw his portfolio drop 50% right when he needed funds. Anita, with a balanced approach, lost just 20% and slept peacefully through the decline. Index Express rule. Protection matters more than perfection. Build your fleet for all market weather. Till then, stay on track, stay invested. The secret to wealth isn't outguessing the market weather. It's knowing how to dress for all conditions. Here's how the successful investors stayed calm while others panicked. Welcome to the weather station of Index Express. Today we are exploring how our index trains handle different market conditions. During bull markets, index trains climb steadily. The Nifty 50 rose dramatically during these periods. Your index journey automatically participates in the upward momentum. Fascinating historical fact. Throughout every bull market, countless experts predict the top. Yet, markets continued climbing for years after that. Market declines are part of the journey. During 2008 and 9, the Sensex experienced a significant decline. In 2020, it dropped dramatically in just 1 month. Here's the reality. Your index trend will follow the decline. Meet Divya and Rohan. When markets crashed in March 2020, Divya panicked and sold everything. Rohan stayed invested and even added more. By December 2020, Divya was still waiting to re-enter while Rohan had recovered all his losses and gained even more. The secret advantage of disciplined investors? They see market declines as sales, not disasters. Their regular SIPs buy more compartments when prices are lower. The greatest cost in investing isn't shown on your statement. It's the emotional cost of panic decisions during challenging times. Indian markets have historically shown great resilience over long periods despite experiencing multiple significant downturns. Patience can be a valuable companion on this journey. Who will you be in 10 years? Some people build wealth while others build only complexity. Let's decode the strategies of the winners. Welcome to the Index Express Command Center. Today we are turning your investment journey into an action plan. Step 1. Choose your investment engine. Is your portfolio overloaded with too many funds, stocks and trading positions? If yes, it's time to embrace a systematic simplicity. The top choices of index investors. Equity index fund for long-term growth. Debt index fund for stability and balance. For example, suppose you balance your investment between a Nifty 50 index fund and a GSEC index fund, there is less stress and clear structure. Step 2. Put SIP on autopilot mode. No one knows when the market will rise or fall, but one thing is certain. Those who invest consistently always move ahead. Index Express formula. Keep your SIP running whether the market is up or down. See market dips as a sale and not a crisis. Here's an example. Investors who continued their SIPs during the 2020 crash saw impressive returns in just 1 year. Step 3. Turn on protection mode. A train doesn't run on the accelerator alone. It also needs brakes. Similarly, a portfolio isn't complete with just equity funds. Debt is essential too. Equity index funds for growth engine. Debt index funds for stability brakes. For example, in 2008, investors with only equities saw their portfolio drop by 50%, but those with debt index fund reduced their losses by half. Step 4. Reality check on emotions. What's more dangerous than the market? Your own panic. For example, those who stayed invested in March 2020 recovered their losses by December, but those who panicked and sold never got back in. And the solution? Think long term. Never ever sell in fear. Step 5. Follow these 4 steps and your future is set. Here's the Index Express formula. Pick the right index funds. Keep your SIP on autopilot. Balance equity and debt and control your emotions. Your Index Express is now fully ready. It can create long-term wealth with minimal maintenance. Next stop, time to kickstart your wealth creation journey. Till then, stay on track and stay invested.
An investor education and awareness initiative by Bandhan Mutual Fund.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.